This is Hokuto. This is sukiyaki na Wagyu, guys. So, ito you will be shown to your seat. And then, our view is the outside. And guys, ito na siya. Ito yung plate namin. Each set pala, by the way, kailangan, kung dalawa kayo, times 2 yung servings na yan. Hindi siya parang 2,180 tapos share kayo dyan. Hindi siya pwede. Okay. So, guys, we got the whole set. And then, I also got a whiskey star. Syempre, may eggs pala dyan for your sukiyaki. Ito, nakakaloka, mali pala. Akala ko straw, hindi pala straw. Anyways, etong chicken naman, I tried it. In fairness, this chicken, look at it. Oh, masarap siya. Di ba? Mainit. And syempre, may french fries ako. Ito na yung kalan namin. Ilalagay na yung sukiyaki on top. Ayan na po siya. Imimix ko na rin yung egg just in case. And then look, ituturoan ko kung paano mag-mix. For example, lagyan mo sugar, lagyan mo ng salt and stuff like that. Wala pa ng ice. And i-mix mo to. May mga tofu rin yan. And then, ito kumuha rin kami ng fried rice kasi mukhang masarap siya. Ayan o, diba? So, kain ka muna ng sukiyaki, tas may kanin. And then, at the end of the day, ito po yung bill reveal namin. Good for 2 people na po yan. And you can spray yourself